Hi students, we have learned Pythagoras theorem, Pythagorean triplet, similarity and right angle triangle, geometric mean property, Pythagoras theorem, converse of Pythagoras theorem. Based on all these properties, exercise number 2.1 is given. Now such type of the examples I am going to show just now. Remaining examples you are going to solve in your notebook. Let us start some example. First example, identify with reason which of the following are Pythagorean triplet. 17, 8, 15. In a triplets, if the square of the largest number is equal to the sum of the squares of the remaining two numbers, then the triplet is called Pythagorean triplet. This is the property. Now accordingly here 17 is the largest number. So square of 17 is equal to 289, labeled as equation number 1. Remaining two numbers, their squares, 8 square plus 15 square is equal to 64 plus 225 is equal to 289, labeled as equation number 2. From equation number 1 and 2, we are getting 17 square is equal to 8 square plus 15 square. So 17, 8, 15 is a Pythagorean triplet. Now from this we can tell that triangle is right angle triangle. Means this test is used to decide whether the sides of the triangles are for right angle triangle. Another one example, 63, 65, 10. Here largest number is 65. So square of 65 is 4225, labeled as equation number 1. And 63 square plus 10 square is equal to 3969 plus 100 is equal to 4069, equation number 2. From first and second equation, we are getting square of 65 number is 4225. This is not equal to sum of the squares of these two numbers, 4069. So 65 square is not equal to 63 square plus 10 square. So 63, 65, 10 is not a Pythagorean triplet. For you, such two examples I have given. Like this, whatever I showed just now, you are going to solve in your notebook. Another example, find the diagonal of a rectangle whose sides are 5 meter and 12 meter. So accordingly, quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. We have learned properties of rectangle in 9th standard, that opposite sides of rectangles are equal, all angles of rectangles are right angle, diagonals are congruent. Now when we are solving word problems, then we have to write given to find solution for all the examples. So accordingly here given sides of a rectangle are 5 meter and 12 meter. So 12 meter is length and 5 meter is breadth. This 12 meter, so this 12 meter, this 5 meter, so this 5 meter, opposite side property. To find diagonal of rectangle. So here in figure AC1 diagonal I have shown. Solution, quadrilateral ABCD is rectangle. So all angles of rectangles are right angle. I have taken triangle ADC where angle D is 90 degree. By Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AD square plus DC square. So 5 square plus 12 square is equal to 25 plus 144. AC square is equal to 169. AC is equal to taking square root of 169. AC is equal to 13. So segment AC is the diagonal of rectangle. So diagonal of rectangle is equal to 13 meter. Means length of AC and length of BD is 13 meter. Now another one example is based on 30, 60, 90 degree property. From the information given in the figure, find AB and BC. Now when two values are asked, then such type of the examples are coming for 2 marks. So here I have written this is example of 2 marks. In triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, angle C 30 degree and angle A 60 degree given. Length of diagonal AC is given 8 and from that AB and BC we have to find out. So solution, triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. By 30, 60, 90 degree triangle property, AB is equal to 1 upon 2 AC, side opposite to 30 degree. Side opposite to 30 degree is half of the hypotenuse. So 1 upon 2 into 80, putting the value of AC. AB is equal to 4 centimeter. 2 1s are 2 4s are. BC, which is side opposite to 60 degree, root 3 upon 2 AC, side opposite to 60 degree property. Putting the value root 3 upon 2 into 8 and simplifying, 2 1s are 2 4s are. Length of BC we are getting 4 root 3. Answer, AB is equal to 4 centimeter, BC is equal to 4 root 3 centimeter. In triangle XYZ, angle Y is 90 degree, segment YP is perpendicular to the side XZ. If XP is 8 cm and ZP is 18 cm, find value of YP. So here figure is given, triangle XYZ, angle Y 90 degree, YP is perpendicular to hypotenuse XZ. Solution, in triangle XYZ, angle Y 90 degree, YP perpendicular to XZ. By the property of geometric mean, YP square is equal to XP into PZ. YP square is equal to XP into PZ. XP is given 8 and PZ is given 18. So 8 into 18. Reason, putting value. YP square is equal to 144. YP is equal to under root 144. So YP is equal to 12 centimeter. So answer, YP is equal to 12 centimeter. This YP is nothing but the perpendicular drawn to the hypotenuse. Now this example is based on our next property which we have learned, 45, 45, 90 degree, or property of isosceles right angle triangle. The hypotenuse of an isosceles right angle triangle ABC is given 8 root 2 centimeter and find BC. So in triangle ABC, this AC hypotenuse 8 root 2 centimeter given. As it is isosceles right angle triangle, AB is equal to BC, congruent sides. So in right angle triangle ABC, angle B 90 degree, AB is equal to BC given. As these two sides are equal, angles opposite to these two sides are angle A and angle C. They are also congruent. Now as B is 90 degree, angle A and angle C, these are two complementary angles and sum of the measures of complementary angles is 90 degree. So angle A plus C is equal to 90 degree. These two angles are congruent. So angle A is equal to angle C is 45 degree. So triangle ABC is 45, 45, 90 degree triangle. So AB is equal to 1 upon root 2 AC. BC is equal to 1 upon root 2 into 8 root 2, putting the value of AC. Root 2 and root 2 is getting cancelled. So BC is equal to 8 centimeter. Answer, BC is equal to 8 centimeter. One more example. From the information given in the figure, find AB and BC. What is given in this example? In triangle ABC, B 90 degree given, angle C 30 degree given, AC is given 10 centimeter. So solution, in triangle ABC, B 90 degree, angle C 30 degree, angle A 60 degree as the remaining angle of triangle. How we are getting this? We have learned property that sum of the measures of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. So 90 plus 30 subtracted from 180 and answer A is getting 60 degree, which is called as remaining angle. Now this triangle ABC is 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So using property of 30, 60, 90, AB which is side opposite to 30 degree, half of the hypotenuse. So AB is equal to 1 upon 2 AC. AB is equal to 1 upon 2 into 10. Putting the given value. 2 1s are 2 5s are. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. BC, which is side opposite to 60 degree. Root 3 upon 2 into hypotenuse. Side opposite to 60 degree. Again putting the value of AC. Root 3 upon 2 into 10. 2 1s are 2 5s are. BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. So answer AB is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. These examples are same like textbook exercise 2.1. So textbook exercise 2.1 you are going to solve, and if you are having any difficulties, any problem, note down. Next time when I will show example, I will solve your all the difficulties. Thank you.